ENPH has been trending for some time now. This is Wednesday, the 4th of February 2026, up 33%. Volume so far 17 million shares. 50-day average is around 6.3 million. We have up to 6 hours before the close of today's trading session. The stock is drawing renewed attention after delivering stronger than expected earnings outcomes and highlighting a strong cash position, reigniting optimism around the company's turnaround narrative and sparking heavy community discussion about a potential about a potential short squeeze due to its elevated short interest of around 22%. Traders note that any sustained upside momentum, especially alongside rising volume, which we have right now, you saw already, could force bearish positions to cover, amplifying gains in the near term. Beyond the numbers, the company continues to signal progress on its strategic reset. The company is rolling out new commercial microinverters and expanding its product portfolio across residential and commercial energy storage, reinforcing its positioning as a full stack solar plus storage solution provider. At the same time, management has emphasized that cost cutting initiatives, manufacturing optimization, and tighter operating discipline, which many investors see as key pillars for restoring margins and improving cash flow over the long run. Adding to the bullish tone, several analysts have issued upgrades or raised price targets, citing improving demand trends, inventory normalization across distribution channels, and signs that the worst of the solar downturn may be passing. Okay, so this is what we are looking at right now. Okay, the stock is showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term neutral to bullish trend. You see, the downtrend, the underlying trend was declining, has been declining for some time, but given that the stock has been showing a lot of strength of late, let's see now. This looks like since November, since late November, it has been showing a lot of strength. It has now that moving average has now has gone neutral to bullish. Okay, so this trend is also expected to remain in place up till Friday the 6th, and then after that we are looking at the prospects of a contraction towards the 13th of February. No guarantee that that will be the case. And as things stand right now, it hasn't, even with all of this trend it has been showing, it hasn't gone parabolic. It still has some room to run, especially given that we have this projection here, and these projections here, it's a pivotal projection, still valid. The algos initiated it on the 28th that's exactly what last week, 28th of January, and still reiterating it up to today. So this is now the this is now the sixth reiteration. We have 52.86. It is a pivotal projection. Okay, so let's see now. Momentum is expected to continue to begin to weaken from tomorrow the 6th, so tomorrow the 5th, and that he may attempt to pick up again. So let's just say he may remain stable at least towards the 17th after declining towards tomorrow the 5th. Okay, this is its daily chart. Let's just quickly see what's going on its weekly chart. On its weekly chart, okay, more of a consolidation is expected up till up to Monday the 23rd. Then after that, if as a matter of fact, just saying consolidation is expected towards July. Yeah, at various times it might get a bounce and expand. Yeah. Projections are saying 44.20. Okay, let's have a look at its monthly chart and see. Okay, there are no extrapolations on its monthly chart. Projections are saying nothing positive at all. Yeah, they are severely bearish downward projections. So on the weekly chart, let's see. Do we have an alignment on the weekly and daily chart? Let's see. Okay, strength is expected to remain in place up to Friday, and then towards the 13th we have a contraction, and then let's see now, it's saying up to the 25th a consolidation. I think they are aligning. The daily chart and the weekly chart are aligning in terms of extrapolations. Yeah, they are pretty much aligning. Yeah, you can see here more of a consolidation up to the 23rd, and that's pretty much what we have on the daily chart. So what we could also do now is just see um the stock is has let's look at the market greed. I don't think it's going to give us anything. It's not going to give us anything balanced. It's, given that the stock is up by 35%, we're not going to see anything balanced. So the stock is has expanded way outside of its market greed on this weekly chart. So that would also be the case on the daily charts. Yes, also the case on the daily chart. So unfortunately, we can't get the stock is based on what has happened now. It's looks like a pullback is something that can happen, but I think for in a very, very, very short time, we'll just have a look at the 4 hour chart to see what it's going to indicate. Yeah, okay, the stock is it also has, I think it's now at its RXT extreme, its extreme resistance. Yeah, 5080. So it's just slightly above this 50 this RXT value. So it may continue to advance. The extrapolation is saying that it will do so up till tomorrow the 5th. Okay, but in any case, we have downward, we have supports. Let's see. Yeah, do we have any? Yeah, okay. Let's just see where we can find supports. Let's see what the supports are saying. 50. We have the most immediate support is 50.75. Okay, nothing else, but nothing else. Not that sort of price is not reiterated anywhere else. We could still take 49. Not very much of a difference. Okay. Okay. Let's see, 49, 48. We want to see where we can find a reiteration of. Yeah, we have 46.97. So this, if it comes all the way back to R1, 46.97 or 46.74, we might see some buying pressure kick in. We might see that we have a verified support in that in the form of R1 and its 3 period moving average. Okay, let's see what we have on its let's see what we have on its 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart extrapolation higher prices as well, but the market it's lying well inside its market grid. Okay, let's see whether we can see. We don't have 46 here. Here on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour chart, 49 is a good support. So if it pulls back, we are looking at also getting a bounce at 49. 49. If it doesn't hold there, 48 as well. Yeah, we can see here the 3 period moving average and the S1 pointing to the same price. S2 and S3 pointing to the same price, pretty much the same, tight, very tight trend. Yeah, we also have 46 we saw on the 4 hour chart. So yeah, support from 49 all the way down to 46. If it pulls back, we are seeing there's a chance we might see a bounce, in the very, very short time. Yeah, in a very short time. So yeah, the stock has been trending for some time now. Just see what you make of it. And thank you very much for watching this video.